Number 10 says the doctor has ordered 900 calories to be given using a 20% dextrose IV. How many milliliters of the solution should be given? So my percentage is 20. So that's going to be 20 grams over 100 milliliters. And the order is coming in at 900 calories. Now, I can't put the 900 calories into my proportion because it doesn't match either of these. So I can convert it to grams though, and I do that by dividing by 4. So 900 divided by 4 is 225 grams. And then I can put that 225 grams into the proportion and then solve. So 100 times 225 divided by 20, and my x is equal to 1,125 mLs, and that will be my final answer.